Welcome back. In this video we're going to revisit the coffee machine. Not to review it, but to show you how to do the descaling function. So after you've been operating it for some time, you'll find that there's a red light here that looks like two lines with lots of little dots in the middle, and it comes on and it indicates that the machine needs descaling. And I thought I'd do this video because when I was reading the notes about how to do it, it sounds fairly complicated, but the reality is it's not. And as you'll see when I go through this, it's not that difficult. So here we go. So the machine's on. So the first order of business is to get things prepared. So you have your Echo decork, which should have actually come with the machine, and if you need more, you can easily order them online. I got ours through Amazon. You need a reasonable sized jug. We're using a glass jug here, and what I call the overflow cup. You take the tank out and you empty it. You grab your packet and you take that out, cut that across the top, and with the decalc you pour it in. Fluid is right up to that line, which is what you want. If you look closely, there's another line right there, and what you're going to do is now put water in here, mix this up to that line. And that's it. You leave it at that line, and then you put it back in the machine, and then we'll show you what we do from there. And then we turn it on, and we wait. Remove that. What we do is we grab that and put that there, and so that jug is now under both. You've got this and the hot water spout plus where water comes out for the filter. So we now turn the knob to the descaling function, which is right to the very far right, and you push OK. And now we just wait and let it go through. So what it's going to do, as you can see, it'll cycle through, first off through the filter, then it'll cycle through, I don't know if you can see that, but it's cycling through the hot water nozzle, and then it'll cycle through the frothing nozzle, and it's going to go round and round and round. And don't worry about the fact that there may be big gaps when it's doing nothing. That's normal. It's just the machine working through its process. So one thing I did forget is to mention that we need to have this open so that the water can flow through the frothing arm. Please also note that when it's in this mode, both that red light and the OK light flash. Okay, so please note that the descaling action has come to an end, and this is still flashing, but it's now telling us that the tank is empty, and you'll notice that the OK light has stopped flashing, and now we've got the little circle with drops in it, which indicates that we've got to fill the tank up with water and we're going to flush the system. So that's what we're going to do now. It's highly recommended that you rinse the tank out a number of times. fill it to the top. Now at this point, we push this button here and we now start cleaning. So as you can see, this is now going to be cleaning the machine, and there's going to be a lot of water come through. So periodically we'll just have to tip a little bit out of the jug. So this is a process you'll have to continue on until the tank is empty. So we've reached the point where we've run out of water, and we have to put some more in the tank. We're now finished. Red light's gone off, and all the other lights are now up and running properly. Actually, I'll put that back on to coffee if you don't mind. That's my preferred setting. So that's it. Machine's ready now to make some new coffee. I hope you enjoyed this video, and until next time, see you later.